Alright, so this is sweet plantain. I'm gonna boil it first so it can get soft. And then after that, I'll put a little bit of sugar, just a bit, like a pinch of sugar, just so it can get a little more sweeter, because of that way it gives like a little better taste.
Okay.
So we put the fire on. We put a bit of oil on it. Let it get hot. And then we use this right here, which is we call it fideo. I don't know how you guys.
I call it macaroni.
Okay, macaroni. She called it macaroni. And then this is what we're gonna put. We're gonna fry it first until it gets to a nice color, like brown color. And we will show you now. Pour it. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna fry it, stir it. Oh, sorry guys, it's breaking up a little bit. Stir it until it becomes a little brown. You don't have to put too much oil, because you don't want it to be too oily either. It's just enough to fry and fry it a little bit so I can get the nice brown color. So you leave it there a little bit, and in a little bit we show you how.
That smells real good.
This is not even close to be done. This is just the first thing. You see how it's taking the little color?
Yeah.
It's taking like a nice brown color. Everything needs to be like that nice brown color. You can't not let it overcook either, because if not, it's gonna get too
hard.
Yeah, hard, and it's not gonna be good. People think that it's gonna look like that hard, but it's gonna get soft later on with the process.
Okay. And what you call this dish, Louis?
Fideo rice. It's a Spanish. It's a Dominican thing that I learned. But I don't know exactly the name, so don't go by it. But if you like search it and then go put fideo rice, it will come out. It will come out.
Okay.
But I don't know if there's like a specific name for it. So, yeah.
But how do you know it tastes good?
Oh, you're gonna see it. The kids love it, so you can. Crystal that's her favorite rice.
Oh.
I'm gonna lower it a little bit since it's already burning, so lower the fire a little bit.
And I noticed you cannot take your eyes off if you have
No. Yeah, you have to, because you have to keep mixing it so the older one gets burned too. You have to keep moving it, because if you leave it there, then only the bottom is gonna get burned, and then the top is not gonna be enough burnt. Brown. So anything, if you let it burn, and it's not gonna be nice.
Yeah, but it smells so good already, and it's just the pasta.
And that's only oil and the fideo. That's it.
Yeah.
That's it. Chloe, you know what I'm making, right?
Yes, I remember that from Belize.
Belize, that's Dominican. That's not Belize.
Whatever. Dominican Republic.
Smoke up a little bit. So you put enough water. Enough water, like if you're gonna make rice, because this is rice, right? So you put enough water. If you feel like once you put the rice, you want to add a little bit more, it's fine. So this one I put it on just for this. We use what was the name?
Chicken bouillon.
Yeah, chicken bouillon. That's what we're gonna do. I like to smash a little bit before I put it in. Once we put it in, you just mash it in there and let it boil. Once it dissolves, like you just keep stirring it and leave it there for a little bit, and then once it dissolves, then you do the next step. So that way you don't have to put no salt or nothing. That's gonna be the flavor of the rice itself, so you don't have to put anything else. So you can see the nice coloring. What we're gonna do, we're gonna add the rice, depending how much rice you want to put. Got my beautiful cup with hearts.
also it's your measuring cup because you use it to measure the water and now you're using it for the rice.
Alright, so we just stir it, and just like normal rice, you close it. I mean, you leave it a little bit to dissolve, and then you just close it, and voila, it's rice. Alright, that's how the rice is coming along. It's gonna be nice brown. Later on, we'll see the taste. It's whatever you choose. So this is however you like to season your meat.
Okay.
You can do it. There's no specific.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Alright guys, so we just put the ground beef to cook. Again, you can season it however you like it. There's no specific for that.
And so what Lou is doing is breaking up the ground beef inside a pot, and he adding it small by small, pieces by pieces.
Yep. Alright, so our sweet plantain is already done. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put butter on it, and we're gonna smash it to make it like a pudding. And then I'll show you after that. So you gotta put a little bit of butter so it don't stick. I like to put it like on the side, and then I just put like potato chips on the side so when it melts in. The only thing is when you wash it, it's hard to. Alright guys, so the first coat is gonna be the plantain. We're gonna put a nice bed of plantain. Sweet plantain.
We come in.
Alright. You can cut it. Let's cook. I'm gonna put another bed of this over here, of the ground beef. Sure you leave some at the end for mozzarella cheese, because at the end you're gonna do a bedding of both cheeses, the cheddar cheese and then mozzarella cheese. Of the sweet plantain.
What are you doing?
We're cooking.
Cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese on top. If the tray would have been bigger, I would have put another layer, yeah, of the plantain. But since it's not bigger, I don't want to overflow it. Okay. Good. Some mozzarella cheese right on top of it.
And spread it out.
Spread it out all over the place.
And then you're going to put it, Louis, in the oven?
Yes, then I'm gonna put it on the oven until it becomes nice and like melt. When you see the cheese is melted, that means that you're doing a good job.
Okay.
What you do, you put a nice foil paper on top so it can melt nice and neat.
Yeah. Maybe.
Put it on the oven for 450 degrees.
Look at that.
Yeah, it's too big. It's gonna mess up the side.
Perfecto.